Campanella. I'm one of the foods teachers at Manitoba Collegiate here, and we just had Manitoba Chicken come in and we made some chicken burgers. The value of having Manitoba Chicken come in is to have a new face, talk to the students, give them a different perspective of where we can get local stuff. Sometimes hearing the same voice is repetitive, so having a fresh face gets kids more engaged and sometimes more likely to listen, and the kids love it.
Today we learned how to make chicken fingers, and that's really helpful because a lot of the time the chicken fingers you buy at stores aren't necessarily as healthy, as lots of preservatives and every ingredient that goes into your meal.
The demonstration was super, and I really love these cookbooks. They're all easy recipes and the kids really enjoyed them. They're nutritious and it helps them to make that connection between where the food comes from and finally what it looks like on their plate. In the video, the students saw Rachel, the young chicken farmer, at work, and for them that's really interesting to see how someone so young can be so passionate about where her food comes from. Thank you very much for coming and sharing your passion with us.
I'm a foods teacher here at Manitoba Collegiate, where we run an awesome foods program that integrates a food grant so our students actually help cook food for the rest of the school. Manitoba Chicken is an awesome resource, and it just helps reconnect that farm to table concept among our students. By having Manitoba Chicken come in, we get alternative perspectives, alternative voices, and really help share that idea of like, hey, you know what? You can get chicken year-round in Manitoba, here in Winnipeg, from a farmer. And that's awesome. The resources Manitoba Chicken provides is a great tool to help our students explore food. Quite often, we don't have as much food literacy at home. It's not being taught as often as it used to, so students get bored with the meals. So by exploring those resources that Manitoba Chicken has to offer, it generates ideas and creates a stronger, healthier relationship with food, especially chicken.